To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Hello and namaskar, I am Bhagyashree Gupta and a very warm welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. The results of the second phase clinical trial of Covaxin have now been published in the prestigious and peer-reviewed journal The Lancet, adding strength to the authenticity of the study. The study showed that India's first indigenous corona vaccine, Covaxin, is not only safe but is also effective in mounting an immune response against COVID-19 virus. The study also specified that Covaxin, which is codenamed BBV152 vaccine, does not have any serious side effects and is superior to other vaccines. According to the study, Covaxin has been found to be more effective in the second phase than in the first phase clinical trials. The second phase clinical trial was done on a group of 380 people. The research article specified that the antibodies start to form in the body within 14 to 28 days of injecting Covaxin, and after 3 months, the antibodies start to increase. However, the journal article also stated that only the successful testing of phase 2 clinical trial cannot determine its overall efficacy, and hence, the final result of the phase 3 clinical trial is needed. Recently, Bharat Biotech released the results of the interim assessment of the third phase clinical trial results of the vaccine, claiming it to be 81% effective. These trials were conducted on 25,800 people in total. Vaccination campaigns against coronavirus have been ongoing since January 16 across the country. Other than Covaxin, the Covishield vaccine developed by Oxford, AstraZeneca and manufactured by the Serum Institute of India is also being used in the vaccine campaign. On one side, vaccination drives are in full swing in various countries, but on the other side, new variants of coronavirus are emerging as well. This makes it essential to understand if the various vaccines are effective against them or not. A new study has now revealed that Pfizer and BioNTech's coronavirus vaccine is effective on the strains of coronavirus found in Brazil. According to this study, published in the New England Journal of Medicine, the vaccine has shown an effect against viruses containing the spike protein of the infectious P1 variant. This strain of the virus is more contagious than the old one. Until now, there was a fear that new variants found in Brazil and South Africa had reduced the impact of the vaccine. For the study, the researchers engineered the virus by adding a spike protein of P1 variant in it. Spike protein is used by the virus to enter the human body. Vaccine works by producing antibodies against this protein. The effect of the Pfizer vaccine was also found earlier on variants found in Britain and South Africa. Scientists at the US-based Georgia Institute of Technology and Emory University have now developed a new treatment that appears to stop the reproduction of the COVID-19 and flu viruses in the lungs. This treatment can be delivered to the lungs via a nebulizer, making it easy for patients to self-administer this treatment at home. This new therapy has been published in the international journal Nature Biotechnology and uses CRISPR technology to code for a protein called Cas13a that destroys parts of the RNA genetic code which viruses use to replicate in cells in the lungs. CRISPR technology is a revolutionary technology and was behind last year's Nobel Prize in Chemistry. The researchers have tested this therapy against the flu in mice and SARS-CoV-2 in hamsters. They found that the sick animals recovered from both the viral disease. If the study also yields positive results in humans, it will be quite a breakthrough in terms of COVID-19 and other viral disease treatment. That's all for now. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And don't forget to follow us on social media. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Take care.